come with your man to look at cars when you want to buy one. He knows what he's doing. Para que no te vean la cara. We just came to look at cars, well, mainly him. Y los señores dicen luego, lo que ocupen. But he's smart. Y no se va a dejar que luego lo embauquen en uno de estas cosas. Because, I mean, of course, están tratando de vender, entonces.
Llantas nuevas que están todas craqueadas.
How do you know when they're cracked?
Mm-hmm.
That?
It's dangerous, especially if it's something that you eat.
¿Tú les dirías eso? Like,
well,
you would point that out when you buy it? If you were to buy it?
Yes, but they might tell you it's your job. You got to change them unless you want to pay for them to change it. Usually they sell the cars as it is. Some dealerships have insurance based on how many mileage there are. Like, they don't want to take the risk to pay you or having that paying. So usually that's what the paper says as it is. Oh, tiene 3 años, 1 año de garantía, que son usados, no based on how old they are. Or you can buy insurance like for them.
You guys heard that? Take tips from the hombres. Like, I already told my man that he's gonna be the one that takes my car to the mecánico, because mechanicos be taking advantage of us girls when we don't know what we're doing. I honestly, like, just know. Like, venir a un dealer, it's like para los guys venir a un makeup store. To me, it's just cars. Como se acuerdan que dijo en el video de Morphe, it's just another store. To me, a dealer is just another dealer. Like, esto lo cambiarás de qué color?
Este negro.
But wouldn't that make it look cheap?
No.
Really?
It's just different taste. You see this, you can change this.
Me hablas en inglés. Akumi? Huh? No, it's fine, it's fine. Yo de carros es lo que estaba diciendo a little bit ago, que como cuando fuimos a la makeup store, to you it's just a store. Because it's not in, you're not into that. You know, de mujer, we wouldn't really know about carros.
Right here, these trees are super good. Green, tires.
Just looking at the millas right now. Smog.
So, like, this one has high mileage, but it's still worth, because it's Toyota. It's worth changing.
I just don't like the focus. I know it's the style. I know. He's thinking, siempre le encuentras un pero a los carros. Watch.
That one over here, como tiene negro ese grill, es que tiene cromado.
Oh, okay, I see it. You know, siento que uno de mujer, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some girls on here that are gonna agree.
Because you come here, like mi tía, last time my aunt came here to the dealership, she did say that, and I do know that they took advantage of her, because es mujer, you know.
Exactly, we don't know jack shit about cars. Con trabajo sabemos manejar.
Por ejemplo, let's say you have like this car, and no matter what you're gonna buy, okay, then that's your car, no matter. So, para mí.
So, I was gonna comment something, guys. Well, specifically para las mujeres que ven este video. ¿Sí o no? Bueno, y más las que no sabemos, porque yo sé que hay mujeres out there that actually know about cars. Mi amiga Karen is one of them, because she grew up with boys. So, la han enseñado how to even change a tire. I don't know how to change a tire. Con trabajo sé cómo ponerle gas al carro. But I was gonna say, sí o no, mujeres, when we look for a car, we don't look for if las millas, for if how expensive, for if this. We just look for a cute car. Guys, no. Guys look for coolness, but mainly like las millas.
Some guys don't know. Like, some guys don't even know the basics. Just they like this tech
But, well, smart guys, pues. They look for cuánto van a gastar, like the mileage and like las llantas that he was checking, that estaba toda craqueada and stuff. We don't. We look for cute cars. At least I do, because I don't know any better.
I feel like sometimes the car is cute, but it's the engine's all messed up, and it's once the breaks, you're gonna invest a lot of money, and you still own the car. It's like no.
So take notes. Por eso ya le dije, como les dije when I was over there, that my hombre is gonna make sure he takes my car to the mecánico, because they're gonna take advantage of me and my ignorant girl self.
They do, like a lot of mechanics do take advantage. Not all, but a lot.
Like a veces el carro, like de mi mamá, the one that I drive, le prende algo, and like I always text my boyfriend and send him a picture. I was like, babe, ¿y esto qué es? Like, why is this doing this? I don't know. But yeah, we learn something every day. So thank God for those men that know what they're doing. Right now, also, hi, welcome to my video, Ni la abrí. I just started recording out of nowhere. Welcome to my channel again, guys. We're gonna go to Target right now. This is like our go-to store, because me traje mainly like shorts. I didn't think it was gonna get cold, and the past 2 days I've been freezing porque nomás traje unos sweatpants, and I'm gonna see if I can find some at Target. I tried to place an order online, but for some reason, like, it said it was sold out. So we will see if I can buy at least a pair of sweatpants, because I get cold at night and in the morning. Like, it takes me a while to get out, because like estoy bien calentita de estar ahí tapada envuelta en la cama y todo. And then like I get out and I'm like, oh no, está haciendo mucho frío. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Target a ver si encuentro some sweatpants. Hey guys, so ya fuimos a Target y luego mi amorcito fue a Nordstrom Rack, because he also did a little bit of shopping. Not as much as I did though, but I was at Target y luego la señora that was helping me out, she was like, oh my god, can you believe in la nada se van $100? And I was like, tell me about it, as soon as I saw the total. So I got like 3 sweatpants and a sweatshirt, because I get cold, and my boyfriend keeps saying, like, how do you get cold if you're from Utah? But I am not from Utah. I'm from Jalisco, grew up in Southern California, so that tells you why.
But you lived 10 years in Utah already, so
it don't matter. I get cold. But right now we're gonna go grab something to eat. Where are we going, babe?
It's called Garibaldi Taqueria.
Which, by the way, my friend Ellie from A Blended Family told me about that place, and then of course I told my boyfriend that this YouTube friend that I have told me about them. It's like, oh yeah, you know where they're at, I've been there before. And then I told Ellie, oh well, because Ellie lives close by, and she's come to Sacramento before, and she told me that she would come and eat to that place, and she just loves it. So I'm gonna try and see if I can film a little bit of that taco shop. Do they have quesadillas?
I think they have them.
Because quesadillasarbomb.com. Just saying. So yeah, voy a ver si les puedo grabar ahí un poquito, aunque sea with my cell phone, so that people don't be looking at me like, what the F is she doing? Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys once we get to the taqueria. about the fact that Ellie was right. Their little salsa bar has a lot of good things. Like this is like a guacamole salsa. There's like a tomatillo, jitomates, and the chips, nopalitos. Which, by the way, my boyfriend doesn't think I like nopales, but I like nopales. Let's try the nopalitos. You want some?
Some what?
Nopales.
Okay.
It's really good. You were not wrong, Ellie. Also, this salsa right here es tipo, sabe como a si la sacaste del molcajete. Like, you can totally tell that the jitomate is asado. The salsas are pretty good, so that's a must. That's a really fun. Vente para acá. Why are you sitting away from your girlfriend? ¿Tú qué has comido aquí antes que recomiendas?
Solamente burritos y barritas y aguas. Las aguas son buenas.
Yo agarré una agua de piña
I tried mango in the one there.
y pedí un burrito. I was gonna get tacos, but I saw the burrito and I was like,
Sin gorra.
I'm digging the salsa.
Ya, esa me gusta esa costumbre ahorita, más que la roja.
I like them. Oh. He takes like a shot glass. You take it like a shot glass. That's what babe got. He got his fajitas con carne, pollo y camarón. And I'm not sure what that is. I think it's sour cream. But yeah, it looks good. Provecho. Okay, he wants me to try. I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna try it with the bell pepper. Bell pepper, pica. Esta, sorry. Very good. Gracias. Yo agarré un burrito, the California burrito. Let's see if it's Chico burrote. Okay, I'm gonna try it in front of you guys and then I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna put a little bit of every salsa so it's good. So voy a poner de esta. Le voy a poner de esta. Because why not? Le voy a poner de esta. Me lo dieron así. Actually,
Best.
really good. Yeah, voy a
So you're
comer.
gonna thank your friend Ellie again?
Thank you, Ellie. for the recommendation, girl. You were right.